Hi, for today's video is how to play Spotify on Discord. So what you're going to do is you're going to download the Discord app and then open it. Mine is already here and just open the Discord app. Then on the lower right corner of the screen, press the smiley icon. Then go to connections. So there's no connection yet. Connect your accounts to unlock special Discord integrations. So we're going to add, then click Spotify. Then a web page will open to connect. Once you've connected to Spotify to your Discord account, you can display what you're listening to in real time on your profile. You just need to agree on the services. Just read it and just press agree. Now, Discord is already connected to Spotify account. And we're going to go back to Discord. And just toggle the display on profile. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!